Hi YouTube, it's UP again. Today I'm going to do another quick installation video for my wife's truck, 2012 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition. Actually I got a new LED highlight from Enzo USA. I had this highlight for approximately 2 years now. It's been awesome. But for some reason, I think I hit rocket chips on the highway or something. It cracked the housing's highlights and water got into it, so they messed up the highlights. So I reached out to Enzo USA. Immediately they sent me a replacement set. So you can see those halo style LED ring looks very dope, and it flashes when you make turn. It's very cool. And the stock highlight, to be honest, is not really that bad looking, but just outdated. It's not LED. That's why I decided to go for the new LED style highlights. So to take off the OEM highlight, all you need to do is take off three 10mm bolt. So it locates one here, second one here, and third one here. So once you take off those bolts, you just take up the highlights, and there's a three harness to connect to the highlights. All you need to do is just unplug it, then put right back into the new highlights. But one thing you need to pay attention of, since they have a new the turning signal functionality, so you need to power those turning signal. So what I did is I tapped the wire to one of those harnesses so I can get some juice out of it. So when I make turns, so every time the turning signal does flashes. So as you can see, all you need to do is unplug or turn, so you can easily get those harnesses out of the headlights. So now I'm gonna show you how to quick show you how to connect those wires together. It's easy. There's a lot of video on YouTube to show you how to connect the wire. So once you have this wire connect up, so all you need to do is just plug those harness back into the highlight unit. As you can see, there's three. The top one, they used to have a light bulb, so now you need to take up those light bulb to those connector into it. Then everything else is same, plug and play. So once you get that done, just put your highlights right back on your truck. You're good to go. Then you just work on the other side. All right, this is a finished product. As you can see, when you turn, it does flashes, and those amber color looks very cool on this truck. Alright guys, please leave comment below if you guys have any question, and like and share my video, and subscribe my channel. Alright, I will try to update my video every week, mostly on my Jeep or truck. Yeah, just let me know if you guys have any question. By the way, I got a other video coming up for my Jeep this week, so please you go to check my video out. Last not least, shout out to my wife. She helped me out to take this video. I can finish this video with her help. Alright guys,